Hello viewers, car tuning refers to the modification of automotive vehicles for better performance. It is a way to personalize and customize the car's characteristics according to the choice and preference of the owner. Are you an automotive expert who is looking for a reliable laptop that can run automotive or car tuning software solutions? But why settle with just good when we've researched to help you find the best? Check out our list of the best laptops for car tuning and find one that's perfect for you. If you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Number 1. ASUS ZenBook 13 Ultra Slim. Car tuning can be done using software like PCM Scan, which allows the user to make charts, diagnostics data, freeze frame data, and other car information, which supports almost all types of car models. It can be used on a laptop like ASUS ZenBook 13, which comes with the latest Windows 10 Home operating system. The storage capacity is 8 GB RAM, which increases with the type of model you purchase. Additional expandable storage of 512 GB will make sure you can store as much data as you want without any hassle. One of the best-in-class Intel HD Graphics 620 graphics cards will give you the best graphics effect, making the laptop multipurpose. The 8th Gen Intel i5 processor ensures the laptop's smooth running while you use your car tuning software without any hassle or hiccups. The netbook is portable and compact with a very light chassis. It has a nano edge display for a brighter and sharp display because its ultra-slim bezel gives it a more extensive display. The ergo lift hinges make sure that the laptop tilts to the point it is most comfortable to use. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Dell XPS 13 9360 13.3. If you are planning on getting a fuel economy tool to save your car from huge fuel costs, or want to check the engine light detector for detecting problems of your vehicle, you can get the Pro Scan software. For using this software, laptop like Dell XPS 13 is your best choice as it comes with a 7th generation Intel Core i5 processor for the smooth running of the software and other activities you want to multitask. The storage is of 8 GB RAM is enough to give room for storing all your data. The laptop features additional storage ranging from 128 GB for hassle-free storing of data. This lightweight laptop weighs only 3.70 pounds, which is fit for traveling and is compact enough to fit anywhere. The display fits 13.3 inches with a narrow bezel for a broad view and solid clarity. The laptop makes sure it provides complete connectivity as it has multiple ports for connecting it with numerous devices. The inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi allow you to share and receive data in a hassle-free process. The 4K Ultra-Sharp Infinity Edge touchscreen display makes sure you can easily access and use the laptop in just one touch, which is very responsive and smooth. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Dell Inspiron 13 2-in-1V. This 3-inch 2-in-1 lightweight and portable laptop come with a sleek design. The Dell Inspiron 13 has the 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor and comes with an inbuilt camera, which helps in facial recognition for easy and safe access. It has a RAM of 8 GB memory, which helps in the smooth running of the software. Additional storage of 256 GB SSD allows you to store more data efficiently and allows hiccup-free performance. The battery life is good, with about 7-8 hours of life on a single charge. The laptop has a maximum screen size as it has a narrow bezel for a brilliant wide-angle display, which gives you more hours of screen time without straining your eyes. The attractive and professional look with a matte black finish and smooth exterior look gives you a good display for any occasion. The laptop can be twisted and turned from a 360-degree direction, and you can still be assured of its protection. One can switch between any 4 modes for ease in working and doing other activities like movie watching, live streaming, web browsing, and more. It comes with various ports and slots for better connectivity with any device. The laptop also features an LED backlit touch display and keyboard, so now you can work even in darkness. The Windows 10 operating system will make sure your computer is updated, works smoothly, and also you can use any car tuning software. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Lenovo Yoga C940. As a car tuning professional, it is good to have a future-proof convertible in hand. The Lenovo Yoga C940 fits in rather perfectly as it offers touch access to the professionals while showcasing adequate resources for lag-free performances. With car tuning applications like Movie Pro, Toad, and Auto Doctor relying heavily on a multi-core processor, the Intel Core i7-1065G7 chipset is expected to offer the best possible experience. From running vehicle diagnostics to upgrading the car in terms of fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and more, the existing processor with a turbo clock speed of up to 3.9 GHz comes in handy. However, we were most impressed with the lower TDP value of the mobile SoC, which ensures minimal throttling. Quite appropriately, Lenovo stacks in the Iris Plus graphics coprocessor, as car tuning applications hardly require dedicated GPU. The processor comes with 16 GB of onboard RAM, is more than adequate for analyzing, tuning, and customizing the car ECU chipset. Besides, LPDDR4X RAM doesn't heat up a bit and allows you to process a massive auto data volume without breaking a sweat. Car-related insights, applications, tuning details, and other data sets take up quite a lot of space. Storing them is hardly an issue with the 512 GB SSD in play. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Acer Swift 713.3. To run such software, you will need a powerful laptop like the Acer Swift 7, which will give you a seamless car tuning experience. It comes with storage of 8 GB RAM and additional storage of 256 GB SSD, in which you can store as much data as you want. The processor used under its hood is the 7th generation Intel Core i5 processor, which runs while you use your software or multitask. The graphics card of Intel HD Graphics 615 gives you the best graphics experience. Software like Movie and Movie Pro can help you customize and personalize your car according to your needs and also provide you with the best experience you will drive. It can extract information on car like freeze frame information, trouble codes, emission tests, charging system, driving sessions, etc. The display features a 13.3-inch Full HD IPS display, which optimizes the color of the screen, brightness, and also saturation to give you the best clarity. Now use this laptop for getting the best car tuning experience without any hiccups or lagging with the powerful Acer Swift 7 laptop. The laptop weighs just 2.48 pounds, making it ultra-light and easy to travel as it is compact and portable. While you go with this lightweight laptop, it will also make sure that it looks stylish with its gold interior design and the matte black aluminum exterior. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.